So this is what we've had to look at for hours and hours on end, and we have many more hours of just this going on. Here's what's going on to the right. That's Jim's face. Whole lot of nothing over there. Say hi, Marcus. He says hi. And that's what's going on over there. So just a little video clip of what most of our drive has consisted of.
Let me get behind us.
Oh. Let me show you. That's what's in front of us. Here's what's behind us. A whole lot of nothing in another car. And Sleeping David. Let's end it on a good note.